Hello, how are you doing today? What's your name? Nice to meet you. How old are you? Where are you from? Do you speak English? Can you help me, please? Sorry, I don't understand. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me, do you know the way to the station? Could you repeat that, please? How much does this cost? I would like to order a coffee, please. What's your favorite color? What do you like to do in your free time? I am sorry for being late. Have a good day. See you later. What's the weather like today? I'm hungry. Can we go eat? What time is it? I need to go to the restroom. Where is the nearest bus stop? Can I take a picture with you? What's your favorite food? Do you have any pets? I'm sorry, I don't have any change. How long have you been studying English? What's your job? Can you recommend a good restaurant? How do I get to the museum? What's your favorite movie? Can you teach me how to cook? How do you spell your name? What's your favorite music genre? I am so tired today. What's your favorite book? Can I have the bill, please? I am lost. Can you help me find my way? Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite sport? I'm looking for a hotel. Can you recommend one? What's your favorite place to travel to? What is your favorite hobby? I'm sorry, I don't speak English very well. What is your favorite animal? I'm learning English online. Can you tell me more about your culture? I am interested in history. What is your favorite holiday? Do you like to dance? What is your favorite fruit? I am afraid of heights. Can you show me how to use this? What's your favorite season? Can I have a glass of water, please? I am allergic to peanuts. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I am not feeling well.